In a fast-changing world, the bigger risk is inaction. 2024, UPSC asked aspirants to explore this bold idea. The cost of being wrong is less than the cost of doing nothing. It challenges the fears of failure and urges decisive engagement. Let's break this down through 8 nuanced perspectives, each backed with powerful examples. Number 1, decision making in crisis. Hesitation can cost lives. Even flawed action is better than paralysis. Example, during COVID-19, early lockdowns and vaccination pushes faced criticisms but saved millions compared to inaction. Number 2, leadership and governance. True leadership isn't about perfection, it's about timely action. Example, Roosevelt's New Deal, bold, experimental governance pulled America out of the Great Depression. Number 3, innovation and risk taking. Progress demands risk, even failure teaches. Example, Edison's hundreds of failed light bulb prototypes. Each one was a step towards success. Number 4, public policy reforms. Waiting for perfect conditions often means negative action. Example, India's LPG reforms in 1991, politically risky, economically essential. Delay would have deepened the crisis. Number 5, personal growth and choices. Staying passive out of fear kills potential. Example, a young professional stuck in stagnant jobs, hesitating to switch careers, afraid of failing, may spend years in regret, but taking the leap, even if imperfect, often leads to clarity, learning, and new possibility. Number 6, environmental action. We can't wait for perfect science to act on climate change. Example, the Paris Agreement, an imperfect but urgent step. Delay could mean accentuated irreversible damage. Number 7, justice and social movements. Silence maintains status quo. Flawed activism still pushes history forward. Example, the civil rights movement in the US faced opposition, but inaction would have kept the segregation intact. Number 8, strategic wisdom. Action, feedback, refinement. Taking the wrong step teaches us where the right path might be. Example, startups adopt fail fast models, which helps them get success later. In conclusion, you can say that the cost of doing nothing is invisible but immense. It's the loss of time, growth, dignity, and opportunity. Even if we are wrong, we can correct, but if we do nothing, we lose by default. So the real wisdom lies in not avoiding mistakes, but in choosing movement over fear. Now that you've grasped the depth of this essay, write it in your own vision, send it to us, we'll help you improve it with feedback.